That time again. We're going on another trip. Starting our South Africa trip. And Safari with Gate 1 Travels. And here we go. February 16th. Leaving our beautiful house and our property to go where no man's gone before. No. This is our view at 5 o'clock in the morning. We're heading that way. Our car's down there. And this is us. Nice little hotel room. And voila. And get ready to go. Our Alaska Airlines lounge. They do have a small lounge. And today it's starting to rain. Our hotel room, the Crown Plaza. Just nothing fancy, just a regular bathroom, the tube, regular bed, TV. Really nice view, nice snowy. It's 24 degrees today in beautiful New Jersey, next to the Newark International Airport. We had snow yesterday, and over there is the skyline of New York City. You can see the Tower Building over there, Empire State Building, and all the other accessory buildings over that way. So we landed last night, late evening. Stayed the night at the Crown. This morning, actually this afternoon, we were at the lounge at United. Our flight wasn't until 7 p.m. And so we left the hotel around 2, came here. Great food, hot meals, sandwiches, cookies, bar, big place. Of course, lots of salads also. But it was very nice, chilled, until we got on one of them planes over there from United to head to Cape Town, South Africa. And that flight from Newark to Cape Town is a 16.5-hour flight. So that's a long day-night. We arrive in the early morning of Cape Town. So here we are, Cape Town. At the airport, went through customs, flying through there, got our luggage, welcome to the mother city, got our driver, picked us up, and this is just part of the airport as we're heading to our hotel, the Marriott's. It's near the water. He said it was about a 20 to 30 minute drive. That is Table Mountain, kind of a landmark point all of Cape Town. This was actually our hotel looking out the window. And this is just another tour. We'd end up doing a hop-on, hop-up, off bus the next day. It's one of the best things to do. Find if it has a hop-on, hop-off bus. We're relatively inexpensive. We get to tour the towns. This is one that would last about an hour and a half. Went around to one side of the Cape and down to the coast. That's our hotel over there. So there's the Marriott's. Look on the white trim on there. And it was definitely close to everything. This is one of the main streets of Cape Town. That's the Hilton Hotel to the left and the convention center. And of course, good view of Table Mountain. This is the hop-on, hop-off bus. This is downtown Cape Town, doing some construction here and there. And where in the world? Look, a McDonald's everywhere. And for some reason around here, when there's a McDonald's, guess what? There always seems to be a Kentucky Fried Chicken. Anyway, we're heading on the tour of Cape Town. This is their downtown area. And we got up to Table Mountain, not to the top, but up to where the buses stopped before you got on the gondola. Couldn't get on the gondola that day because it was too windy. But beautiful views. This is beachfront property. Condos, townhouses, and the like. And of course, across the street was the beach and the ocean. Look, San Francisco. Okay, who knows it in miles? Come on, who knows it in miles? Well, I'll give you the answer here shortly. 4,156 miles away from San Francisco. You want lawn art? Come to South Africa, Cape Town. Plenty of lawn art. People make these, weld them, make them nice. This is the marina that's really close to the hotel, walking distance. It has plenty of food, plenty of entertainment, plenty of souvenirs. It has it all over. These were painted by students at a school a couple years ago, and all the placards say what they're from and what they were doing. But very nice. This was a little eatery in a building. It had everything. It's called Time Out Market. They had burgers, they had noodles, they had fish, they had a bar, they had culture, they had ice cream. You name it, they had it in this little area. It was a great place to eat and inexpensive. And it was good walking distance from the hotel, about half a mile or so. Really good place. And this little bug shows up, or excuse me, a BW. He shows up, plugs in, opens up the thing, and custom made for the market to make specialized drinks. And had it show a BW that happened to be close by. That's Table Mountain up there in the fog that day. Hey look, it's us. You couldn't really see the mountain that day, but there's other chances. This is another view from a different day, but that's Lion Mountain on the right. Now we start our tour with Gate 1 Travel. This was itinerary for one of our days. Wake up call at 6, get on the bus by 7:15.
View of Table Mountain on the right with the upper cable station in the top right corner. It's actually built specifically to look like a rock or part of the mountain. And this is the main road of Cape Town. I'm coming.
Another picture of Table Mountain and Lions Mountain. Craig was our tour guide for Gate 1 Travel. Really great person. That is the soccer stadium used for the World Cup. That's the other side of the area of Cape Town. Out there's the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. This was Signal Hill, where we were at, and people paraglide down to the bottom. Well, I guess that's what you have to do, right? They land on the beach down there somewhere. This was a pit stop on our tour to head to the Cape Point for the day. It's a good 2-hour drive from our hotel. And it's a nice little bay. Had clean restrooms. And of course they had touristy stuff there also. A little close, don't you say? Bus driver was a good driver, that's for sure. Around the corner, cars. And they had these overhangs that were protect for the rocks falling. But yeah. And our bus was a pretty big bus. It was a 52-seater for 21 people. And it was a scenic route. Give great kudos to our bus driver. He did a fantastic job. So here we are, Cape of Good Hope. This is the southern western point of the African continent. There's actually an eastern point also, but we're here. It was a nice day. You could climb up the trail there, go up the top of the hill, but we didn't have time to do that. 21 of us wanted our pictures, of course, with the sign, and so Craig was able to get us some pictures. I guess that's us, yay! And this is the whole group, 21 of us, including our guide Craig. And now we start heading over to Cape Point Lighthouse area to do a hike. The Cape of Good Hope. It says 0.5 miles. We went up to the lighthouse. There's another trail that goes way down the bottom to the beaches. It's a 5-mile loop. And that's the lighthouse. There's another walk you could take over to that little peninsula over there. Believe it or not, look, there's people on it. There's a trail that goes all the way over there. Some of our new friends we met on the tour. He's a doctor and a nurse from Boston. Just a beautiful day and a beautiful view. It's Craig looking out over a little waterfall that comes off the Cape Point Light. Now we head over to Boulder, home of the African penguins. Of course, it's a tourist area. Every year the penguins come back to the same area. They nest out here. It's a sanctuary area. Beautiful water, beautiful beaches. There's probably a couple hundred of them out there. You're cute little guys. So they made these platforms so at least you could see them. So we head over to Kirtenbosch Botanical Gardens, and it's a huge place. Eight of us decided to leave, take Uber. We ended up going up to Table Mountain, but there's a big area to explore, flowers, trees. It's a garden. Anyways, the gondola heading up to Table Mountain. And we took Uber from the gardens to get there, and it was great. Now we took the gondola to the top. Our hotel's over there by the bay. It was a gorgeous day that day. There's lots of hiking trails from the bottom up. There's hiking trails on top. So if you ever come to Table Mountain, or to Cape Town, and check out Table Mountain, there's lots of stuff to do up there. Of course, there's food, there's restrooms, there's places to shop. Look at some of the trails that walk up to this area. And there is people out there. Lots of people. This is the view from the top of the mountain. Ended up being a gorgeous day. No wind. Just beautiful. Good memories. Well, it's going to be about that time. Look, I get to shop at the top of the mountain. Top of Table Mountain. Again, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Give someone a hug. And always love from Sound Tree. Thanks.